Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix TikTok lagging. So let's get started the video. Sometimes TikTok couldn't play video because of technical issues with the app. So you can use some steps to overcome these issues. The first solution is check your internet connection. Sometimes TikTok is not working because of internet issues or network problems on your site. Also check if TikTok server is down by going to the Down Detector website. Open your web browser and search for Down Detector TikTok. If there is a problem with the server, it will be fixed after some times later. So if your internet connection is okay and server is not down, then you have to clear the caches and data of the TikTok app. To do this, open your TikTok app, click on Profile, click on the options represented by 3 dots, click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down a bit and click on Free of Space, then hit the Clear Cache options. This might solve your issue. If you still have the problem, then maybe you are using the older version of TikTok. If you are using the older version, then update by going to the App Store or Play Store in your mobile phone. Search for TikTok and click on Update. Also, you can restart your phone. Sometimes it doesn't work because of some device related problems. To fix that, restart your phone. After applying this solution, I hope your problem will be fixed. If you are still having problem, then contact TikTok support for assistance. So there you go. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.